Kicking things off, we have the Wiha Impact Socket Set in both standard American equivalent and metric sizing. These 3/8-inch drive sockets are forged from high-quality chrome molybdenum steel for ultimate durability under pressure. You will immediately notice the precision fit that prevents rounding off your essential fasteners. Each piece is clearly stamped with large size markings to save you time during busy projects. They come neatly organized in a rugged case that slides perfectly into any tool chest drawer. Whether you are driving heavy lag bolts into lumber or assembling shop furniture, they deliver serious torque. This set is an absolute must-have for anyone needing reliable impact performance day in and day out. Next up is the incredibly versatile Wiha SoftFinish 11-in-1 multi-driver for your everyday shop needs. This single compact tool replaces 11 separate screwdrivers, freeing up valuable space in your tool belt. The ergonomic SoftFinish cushion grip ensures your hands stay comfortable even after hours of driving screws. It features a cleverly designed interchangeable bit system that locks everything securely into place. Inside, you will find Phillips, slotted, square, and Torx profiles ready to tackle any hardware. Switching between different bit types takes only a matter of seconds during complex woodworking assemblies. You will wonder how you ever managed your workflow without this handy multi-driver by your side. Up next, we have the Wiha L-Key with T-handle set, featuring the highly acclaimed Comfort Grip. These T-handles are designed to deliver maximum torque while reducing fatigue in your wrists and hands. The soft grip zones are molded perfectly to provide a secure hold even when your hands are sweaty. Each key features an integrated side blade for times when you need extra leverage on stubborn bolts. The blades are crafted from premium steel, guaranteeing they will withstand heavy daily shop use. A convenient metal stand keeps all your sizes perfectly organized right on your main workbench. Assembling jigs and adjusting heavy machinery has never been easier than with this exceptional set. Now let us dive into the innovative Wiha SoftFinish system. 6 interchangeable blade screwdriver set. This system uses a unique telescopic blade mechanism that allows you to adjust the shaft length. With a simple click, you can extend the blade to reach deep into tight cabinet corners. The patented SoftFinish handle rolls smoothly in your palm for precise, high-speed driving action. Each reversible blade gives you 2 distinct tip profiles, effectively doubling your driving options. The locking collar clicks securely, ensuring the blade never slips or retracts while you apply pressure. This dynamic set brings unmatched adaptability to all of your intricate cabinetry and furniture projects. Moving on, we have the specialized Wiha 10-piece electrostatic discharge tweezer set for extremely delicate work. While typically used for electronics, these are brilliant for placing tiny inlays or handling splinters. Each tweezer is forged from special anti-magnetic steel to resist attracting metallic shop dust. The safe coating ensures you can work around sensitive equipment without any worry of static shocks. You get a variety of tip styles, including pointed, flat, and curved profiles for any exact task. The precision-machined tips align perfectly to grasp even the finest wood fibers or miniature screws. They come packaged in a sturdy roll-up pouch that keeps them protected and organized on the go. For our next highlight, we are looking at the Wiha SoftFinish Conduit Reamer and 6-in-1 combo. Though designed for electricians, this reamer is fantastic for deburring metal pipes used in shop dust collection. The hooded reamer head smoothly shaves away sharp edges with just a few quick twists of the wrist. Detach the reamer, and you instantly have a fully functional 6-in-1 multi-driver at your disposal. The legendary SoftFinish handle provides that familiar, comfortable grip you expect from premium Wiha tools. The internal bits are precision machined to prevent cam out and protect your expensive hardware from stripping. It is a fantastic dual-purpose asset that earns its keep in any versatile maker's toolkit. You are going to love the Wiha 13-piece Magic Ring Ball End Hex L-Key set for quick adjustments. The standout feature here is the innovative Magic Ring, which securely holds screws right on the tip. This completely eliminates the frustration of dropping tiny fasteners into deep, inaccessible pockets. The ball end design allows you to drive fasteners at up to a 25-degree angle with ease. Crafted from exclusive tool steel, these keys boast exceptional durability and incredible rust resistance. The set comes housed in a brilliant holder that fans out all the keys simultaneously for easy viewing. Grabbing the exact size you need is fast, smooth, and incredibly intuitive during busy work sessions. If you want the ultimate upgrade, Feast your eyes on the massive Wiha 93-piece tool set. This comprehensive collection rolls right into your workspace inside a heavy-duty, reinforced transport case. You are getting an incredible assortment of screwdrivers, pliers, cutters, and measuring tools all in one package. The case features sturdy gas struts that hold the lid open while you search for the perfect instrument. Large, rugged wheels and a telescoping handle make pulling this heavy kit across uneven shop floors effortless. Every tool has a dedicated custom-molded slot, so you will immediately know if something is missing. It is basically a premium workshop on wheels that provides everything required for complex high-end builds. Next up on the bench are the Wiha 6-piece color-coded magnetic nut setters for rapid fastening. The bright color coding system ensures you can instantly identify the right size without squinting at tiny text. A powerful rare earth magnet is embedded inside each setter to hold nuts and bolts tightly in place. This hands-free holding capability is an absolute lifesaver when you are working on tall ladders or reaching blindly. Their standard quarter-inch hex shanks lock flawlessly into any modern impact driver or drill chuck. Constructed from impact-rated tool steel, they easily absorb the massive torque shocks of heavy driving. These nut setters will drastically speed up your workflow when assembling large wooden frames or shop fixtures. Keeping your gear mobile is simple with the Wiha heavy-duty tool hauler backpack supporting your back. The bag features a tough, waterproof plastic base that protects your gear from wet garage floors. With 77 different storage options, you can neatly organize all your essential woodworking hand tools. The main compartment opens fully down the front, giving you immediate visual access to your entire payload. Padded shoulder straps and a ventilated back panel make carrying a heavy load surprisingly comfortable. Extra strong zippers and reinforced stitching guarantee this bag will survive the harshest job site environments. It is the perfect grab-and-go solution when you need to take your best gear out of the shop. Organization is key, and the Wiha GoStack storage system is here to revolutionize your workspace clutter. These interlocking modular cases snap together securely, allowing you to build customized storage towers in seconds. You can easily click multiple units together and carry them all into the shop with just one hand. The transparent lids let you instantly verify what hardware or small tools are stashed inside each box. Removable interior bins make sorting your different screws, dowels, and biscuits an absolute breeze. Made from highly durable, impact-resistant plastics, these cases can take a serious beating without cracking. Bringing the exact materials you need right to your workbench has truly never been this efficient. Now let us look at a massive space saver, the Wiha Double Ring Ratchet Wrench 4-in-1 tool. This single wrench masterfully incorporates 4 of the most common fastener sizes into one sleek profile. You can seamlessly switch between sizes with a quick flip of the wrench, maintaining your working rhythm. The 72-tooth ratcheting mechanism provides a highly responsive, fine 5-degree swing arc. This tight swing angle is absolutely crucial when you are tightening bolts in narrow, restrictive spaces. Forged from high-grade steel with a polished finish, it wipes clean instantly after messy glue-ups. It is an incredibly smart design that significantly lightens your tool pouch without sacrificing capability. Prepare to speed up your assemblies with the Wiha Speed E Pocket Drive Electric Screwdriver Kit. This brilliant hybrid tool drives screws electrically but automatically stops, so you can finish tightening by hand. A built-in material protection function prevents you from accidentally stripping out delicate wood threads. It features a bright light-emitting diode ring that perfectly illuminates those dark cabinet interiors while you work. The tool recharges quickly via a standard universal serial bus Type-C cable, ensuring it is always ready. It comes with a versatile bit box and a convenient storage bag to keep everything beautifully contained. Driving dozens of hinge screws is no longer a tedious chore with this powerful little assistant. Every good shop needs great lighting, and the Wiha 800-lumen hand lamp absolutely delivers on that front. With 5 different illumination modes, you can perfectly tailor the brightness to your specific task. The top ultraviolet light feature is incredibly handy for inspecting fluorescent glue lines before they dry. A strong magnetic base allows you to stick the lamp directly to your cast iron table saw top. The rotating head pivots completely, letting you aim the beam exactly where your eyes need it most. Thanks to the fast universal serial bus Type-C charging, you will spend less time waiting. It is an indispensable, rugged lighting solution that easily outshines standard overhead garage bulbs. While specialized, The Wiha crimp tool for solar connectors is fantastic for shop wiring upgrades. If you are installing solar panels on your workshop roof, these pliers are absolutely essential. They provide flawlessly calibrated crimps for 2.5, 4, and 6 square millimeter solar cables. The integrated toggle lever dramatically reduces the hand force required to complete a secure connection. An automatic release mechanism ensures the crimping process is fully completed before the jaws open. The ergonomic two-component handles provide exceptional grip and comfort during repetitive wiring tasks. It guarantees professional-grade, weather-tight electrical connections for all of your off-grid power projects. For precision fastening, you need the reliable accuracy of the Wiha Torque Key electric 3/8-inch drive. This insulated torque wrench protects you up to 1,000 volts during sensitive electrical equipment repairs. It features a highly visible scale that allows you to dial in your required torque with absolute confidence. A distinct mechanical click alerts you exactly when the target torque value has been successfully reached. This prevents the disastrous over-tightening of bolts that can easily crack expensive machinery housings. Each wrench comes with an individual factory calibration certificate to guarantee its pinpoint accuracy. When safety and precision are non-negotiable in the shop, this is the tool you must reach for. The Wiha Pliers. Wrench Professional Electric is a true game-changer for gripping and turning tasks. Smooth parallel jaws allow you to grip finished brass or chrome hardware without leaving any scratches. A simple push-button adjustment lets you slide the jaws quickly to fit a massive range of sizes. The cam action mechanism magnifies your hand strength, applying an incredibly powerful, slip-free hold. Because they are fully insulated, you are protected against unexpected live voltage up to 1,000 volts. They effectively replace an entire set of metric and imperial spanners with just one brilliant tool. From assembling delicate shop jigs to tightening plumbing lines, their versatility is completely unmatched. Next is a woodworking classic, the Wiha soft-faced hammer, set with interchangeable safety heads. This set provides different color-coded impact heads, ranging from soft to extremely hard striking surfaces. You can gently tap delicate joinery together without marring the beautiful finish of your expensive hardwoods. The sturdy cast iron housing keeps the faces firmly locked in place during heavy, repeated blows. A beautifully crafted hickory wood handle dampens harsh vibrations to protect your arm joints. Swapping out the faces takes merely a few seconds using the included hex key wrench. It is essentially multiple specialty mallets ingeniously combined into one beautifully balanced striking tool. Up next is the incredibly efficient Wiha stripping tool, featuring a brilliant self-turning drag blade. This tool takes all the guesswork out of removing the tough outer jacket from round shop cables. You just clamp the tool onto the wire, spin it around, and pull it off in one fluid motion. The hidden internal blade automatically swivels from a circular cut to a straight longitudinal cut. An adjustable screw easily sets the precise cutting depth to prevent any damage to the inner conductors. It easily fits into tight junction boxes where traditional stripping knives simply cannot maneuver safely. Rewiring your dust collector or shop lighting becomes a remarkably fast, safe, and satisfying process. Finally, we wrap things up with the cleverly designed Wiha Electrician's Spirit Level. This compact level features variable distance marks explicitly spaced for installing electrical switch boxes perfectly. You can quickly mark multiple outlet locations on your shop wall without needing a separate tape measure. The strong magnetic base sticks firmly to metal studs or conduit, freeing up your hands to work. Highly visible fluorescent vials ensure you can read the bubble perfectly, even in dimly lit corners. It is constructed from a robust aluminum profile that easily survives falls from tall ladders. It is the perfect finishing tool to ensure all your workshop upgrades look flawlessly straight and professional. All tool links are in the description below. Drop a like, subscribe to Top Tech Tools, and I will see you in the next video.